In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where the contact is stored. This is important because contacts are tied to specific locations. So if you don't see the person you're looking for, you may simply be in the wrong workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu. Most of the tools you need, including contact management, are organized here, so this is the area you'll be using to begin the export process. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will open the Contacts section where you can view your list of leads, clients, or saved contact records. Depending on how many entries you have, this page may show a full list, filtered groups, or smart lists. When you're in the contacts area, hover over the contacts list and locate the contact you want to export. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the right person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names or details. Being careful at this stage can help you avoid exporting the wrong record. Next, select the contact you want to export. Once the contact is selected, Gohighlevel will usually make additional actions available for that entry. This is the key step that tells the platform exactly which contact record you want included in the export. After selecting the contact, click on Export. This opens the export option so you can move forward with downloading the contact information. In some cases, exported files are provided in a format like CSV, which is useful if you want to open the data in a spreadsheet program or import it into another system later. At this point, you'll see a bulk export message or prompt. Be sure to read it carefully before continuing. This message typically gives you useful context about how the export will be processed and what to expect next. Even if you're exporting just one contact, Gohighlevel may still show this type of export notice, so it's a good idea not to skip over it too quickly. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to proceed, click Export again to confirm. After that, Gohighlevel will begin the export process. Depending on the platform setup, the file may download right away or be prepared in the background for you to access shortly after. And that's it. That's how to export a contact in Gohighlevel. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the process smoothly and keep your contact data organized and accessible.